Okay, so I'm going to do a quick lesson on alternate picking or alternate picking, however you want to say it. Alternate, 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 alternate. Okay, alright, so I do recommend that you use a pick, for playing most things. Unless you're finger picking, you can get yourself into bad habits by just using your thumb. I do suggest using a pick. So let's run through what alternate picking is. Let me just move the camera down a little bit. So hang on, there we go. All right, so moving back. Now alternate picking is basically every time you pick down, the next one should be an up pick. Not always, depending on the song, but it's a good idea to get in the habit of doing alternate picking. So one exercise that I use when I first pick up the guitar is to do this. So we just start with our first finger on the top string, on the E string, and you pick downwards. The next pick should be up on the second fret with your second finger, down again on the third fret with your third finger, and then up again with your fourth finger on the fourth fret. Now the next string, do the same thing. Down, then up, then down, and then up. Okay? So we're just going to continue doing that through the strings. And you'll get faster and faster as you go. Alright, and then move back up again. So. Alright, so once you've gone down through all 6 strings, we're going to move across to the second fret and do it again. This time we're using our second fret, third fret, fourth fret, and fifth fret. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, up, down, up. Alright, so you can do different patterns. You can do 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 4, 2, 3. You could start with 4 and go 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, like that. So we're just running through the strings. And any pattern using the four fingers, and assign each finger a fret. So, you can change it up on each string. You can start with 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 3, 2, 4, then 1, 4, 2, 3, etc., etc. Now, if you go through and do that, and then start the second, do the same thing, third fret, and by the time you get up to about the 12th fret, you should be really warmed up and have all your fingers moving and warmed up. So that's a good little tip, alternate picking, okay? So using a pick and doing that as a warm-up for when you start playing. The other thing you can do is change strings. So we'll start with the top string, the E, down, move to the second fret on the A string, up, move to the third fret on the D string, down, and then move to the fourth fret on the G string, up. Okay, it sounds ugly, but it works for warming up. So, okay, and then you can go back to the first fret on the third string, and then do it back upwards. So. Okay, so there's a few little tips of how to warm up. So again, use a pick if you can. We're trying to do down, up picking. So alternate picking or alternate picking. Okay, peace out.